Okay, today we're going to talk about installing the pillows. It starts off with proper inflation. This one here is properly inflated, and you line the posts up with the receiver, and then of course push on the post directly, and the pillow is latched in. Okay, here are two examples of the same pillow, one properly inflated, one overly inflated. Obviously, you can see the thickness and the difference. And once again, you go into the wall of the tub, it's not going to allow the posts to go in. So if the pillow is overinflated or would become overinflated due to the sun in the summertime, a basketball needle, like you would pump up a basketball with, you just stick the needle in the back and you just squeeze the pillow and release some air. Takes a minute, but it'll come out. There, we'll let the air out, push on the post, and we're back in. If your pillow is too flat, now like I say, this one I believe is about the size you want. If you think it's too flat, you simply put a needle in there and you would pump it up, just like you would a basketball, and put a little more air in it. But again, you want to be careful not to overinflate it, or it'll prevent you from putting it in the pillow recess and it connecting in there properly.